Hello. In this lesson, we'll discuss an important strategy for making your writing more cohesive. It's called the signpost strategy. Many writers accidentally include vague words and phrases that can confuse the reader. Look at this sentence. Did you buy that at the mall? What does the word "that" refer to? Is it a shirt or a pair of sneakers? These kinds of words are called undefined reference. It's like looking at a blank signpost. These words refer to something, but it is not clear to the reader. For the signpost strategy, try to pay close attention to words that may be unclear. Some words are more likely to have this problem than others. Here are some of the common ones. If you use any of these words when writing, always ask yourself whether it is crystal clear what the word refers to. Using the signpost strategy is not hard if you pay attention. If you see a signpost word, match it to a noun or noun phrase. Try to think about important information that you discussed in a prior sentence. Do your vague words refer back to that information? And remember, you don't have to reuse the exact same words. You can use a different word with a similar meaning. For example, for the word shoes, synonyms might include sneakers or footwear. Here's another example. Take a minute to look over it. Can you spot the undefined referent? Pause the lesson. When you're ready to continue, press play. Did you find the signpost word? It's these. What does these refer to? Well, it refers to these products. So, let's fix the sentence by adding in the missing noun. Now the sentence is more clear, because it explicitly refers to these products, instead of being vague. Let's do one more example. Which words are undefined here? I'll give you a hint. There are 3 undefined referents. Take a minute to look it over. Use the pause and play buttons to stop and resume. Okay. Did you find them? The undefined signpost words are some, this, and several. So, how can we fix this problem? Well, the word some might refer to people or students. The word this might refer to the claim or argument being made. And so on. It is up to the writer to be clear. But let's go ahead and add some of these words. That's better. Let me highlight the phrases I changed. Sometimes a reader can figure out what you meant to say, but it's always better to avoid the confusion in the first place. So, use the signpost strategy. In sum, when you are writing, look for vague or undefined words. These words are like signposts that point at important ideas. Make sure you have a noun after them, so it's clear what you're writing about. Your readers will have an easier time understanding your essay, because they will not have to reread each sentence many times. In other words, your writing will be more cohesive. Eventually, you'll remember to define these words without even thinking about it. And that's the signpost strategy. When you're ready, close this window to go to the checkpoint.